Do you want to start fresh or make more room in the cloud? Here's how to clear your OneDrive account safely and efficiently. First of all, log into your OneDrive account on the web and view your file list. Select the files and folders that you want to remove. Since I don't have any files here, it's nothing to remove. Click on the delete icon or right click and select delete. These will be moved to a recycle bin temporarily. Please follow the steps by your own. To completely clear your OneDrive, go to recycle bin and click on empty recycle bin. This will permanently delete the files. And you're done. Your OneDrive is now clear, giving you a cleaner workspace and more storage to use. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos just like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.